So let me ask you this. What do you need to do if you want to be successful at trading and investing? What do you need to do? You need to keep going. You need to be disciplined. You need to focus. That is what you need to do, and then you will become successful. If you focus on being successful, it's probably not gonna come. But if you focus on doing the small things every day, it will come. Success is a byproduct of doing the right things continuously. You will learn as you go, but all you need to do is to keep going. Keep showing up, keep going. Going to success is not easy, but it is very simple. Look, all I want to do and we want to do is to make sure you succeed. You can't obviously go to the gym and sit in the gym and eat cookies and then go out an hour later. Obviously that's not gonna work. You need to try, but you just need to show up and do the best you can.